This video is only for education purpose. Don't purchase any product without making research. Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review this product. The product name is like oyikey tooth restoring powder. So you need to purchase this product or not, and what are the main problems. So the first problem, as you can see, there are not too much reviews on this topic, or you can say on this tooth powder. And as you can see, there are only 2 reviews, and out of which are, you can say, like 2 reviews, and 1 review is 50% negative, and 1 review is you can say 3-star review. Okay, so this is not looking like a genuine. And the toothpaste, you can see, this is you can say paste is used for whitening teeth, protective gum, restore gum health and all. So all claims are not looking good. You have to wait for some time, and if the product will, you can say, stay on internet from long time, then you can try it once. Okay, but in our terms, you can say research, they did not have any kind of official website also, and they did not have enough you can say like reviews and all. So you need to be very careful. Don't purchase any product, these kind of product, maybe you will not get result, and you are regret after purchasing product. So be careful and don't purchase any product related to these kind of if you are going to use these kind of product for your health purpose. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will try to reply you. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.